In this video, I will show you how Wispr Flow works by creating snippets and using voice commands to polish your emails. Let's get started. I am starting here on my Wispr Flow dashboard, which gives me a quick overview of my dictation stats and settings. To make my workflow faster, I'm heading over to the Snippets section in the left-hand sidebar. Snippets are perfect for those phrases or emails I find myself typing repeatedly. I'll click the Add New button in the top right corner to get a new shortcut set up. In the snippet field, I'm going to type the word draft. This is the short trigger I'll use whenever I want my full text to appear. Next, in the expansion box, I'm typing out a full professional response, thanking a client for an update and letting them know I'm starting on their task immediately. I'll just do a quick check to make sure the formatting looks right, and then I'll click Add Snippet to save it to my collection. Now that it's saved, I can see it right there in my library. Let's see this in action by heading over to my Gmail. I'll open up a new message and click into the body of the email. Instead of typing that whole message manually, I just speak my shortcut word, draft, and Wispr Flow instantly expands it into the full, formatted email. It's a massive time saver, but I can take this a step further if I want to change the tone. I'm going to highlight the text I just generated and activate the command mode. I'll give it a voice instruction to improve the grammar and make the message sound more confident. I'll give it just a second to process the request, and as you can see, Wispr Flow rewrites the text to be much more professional and assertive. It's the perfect way to ensure my communication is always polished and clear without spending extra time editing. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.